Welcome. My name is Theatric, and this is how you can save money growing your own vegetables. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, hit that like button, and that notification bell so you can stay up to date. And let's get into this harvesting. So, it's nothing better than growing your own fresh vegetables. Right here, what I'm doing is I'm growing tomatoes in a raised garden bed on a trellis. When you're growing tomatoes, they grow a lot better if you trellis them. Are you growing a garden this year? If so, leave me a comment and let me know what you're going to grow. I'd love to know or what you're growing. What are some of your favorite vegetables to grow in the garden? If you're new to gardening, I've made a lot of gardening videos. Feel free to go through my videos and watch how I started this garden, how I started this bed, and how I planted these tomatoes. If you're trying to grow tomatoes for yourself. We all spend a lot of money on food, so this is a great way that you can save money and eat healthy at the same time. These are some beautiful tomatoes. And if you're looking for a easy way to grow vegetables, make you a raised bed. It's very simple. Just get you nice 4 pieces of wood, put them together, and fill it with some good organic matter, some soil, and make sure you plant it in a place where it gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. when you're harvesting your vegetables, you want to make sure you remove the fruit and vegetable from the plant without damaging the plant. And these are some beautiful tomatoes. And this is how you can save money on growing your own food. And this is a beautiful squash bed. We have some beautiful squash out here I'm about to harvest. This is also another way you can grow vegetables in a raised garden bed. Beautiful squash. Another big, beautiful squash. And this is how you can grow vegetables, save money. Thanks for watching. See you next time.